The role of master farmer is really to lead toward the adoption of improved seed and associated technologies. So Story Workshop thought about using television so farmers could see for themselves. We thought of using radio so farmers could listen from other farmers on what is happening. We thought of using theater for development so that farmers could listen and observe by being entertained. So this is a three-tier approach we took.
And the Story Workshop have taken a very key role to make sure that they develop exciting programs, but at the same time very educative programs.
Story Workshop is also the United States Agency for International Development, USAID.
We give them the technology. They have to get it out there to the farmers so that the farmers can see how good these technologies are, and then they come back to us, give us feedback, and tell us how best to improve to assist the farmers.
When we went to the districts we were working at, we were referred to extension planning areas where the communities were invited, and the communities came up with a list of 15 farmers in each of the 8 communities to say these are the farmers you could work with, drill them, and let's see where you go. So we took them to a boot camp. This is where the farmers spent 5 days. They were drilled by experts, crop scientists, but also experts in theater for development. So when they went back to their communities, they established clubs. They reached out to farmers. They enhanced relationship with stakeholders, and they managed to reach to more than 500,000 farmers. So that's like more than double the target we had.
Pankaniza ulimi, kusintha kwa mizere, kuteteza nthaka, kwamasa kudzala chimanga chimodzi kwamasa mbewu zosiyana-siyana, kwamasa ngakhale kulima irrigation, kuna kwati ndima irrigation, kudzala kwa agriculture. Ndi zambiri zimene ndachita. Moti kunena zaona ineyo kuti ndasankhidwa.
Somo club ndi gulu langa. Titapita ku boot camp. Ndakaphunzira mbewu 7. Zimene zili mbewu zisanu ziwiri. Zamakono komanso ndi ukadaulo wake. Moti mbewu zimene zizi zatithandiza ifeyo alimi kupeza ukadaulo weniweni, komanso kupeza mbewu yokhayoka imene ili yamakono, mbewu yamakono pa 1 hectare. Timakolola matumba 120. Yamakono imeneyo. A 50 kg. Komano ngati mbewu isi yamakono ni matumba 60.
For International Development, USAID, kudzera mu ntchito imene ikuchitika.
Timamvera nthawi yonse imene ndatsekula radio 1 imene ndi nthawi imene imakhala ikupanga ndi kulankhula kuti panopo ndife alimi pa pologalamu ya alimi. Ndimakondolera kwambiri. Kana akadapanga usiku ndimakhala ndili maso. Kudikiliro ndive kuti kodali program ya mulimozi tsata imene ndikakuda kupanga izi nemawa USAID mizere timetalikitsa pa 75 cm. Pamene phando pa phando linzake timapanga 25 cm.
The future, very bright. How? We need to work together. We need to communicate better. There is no need for Africa to fail to feed itself. It begins with me. It begins with you. Everybody has to work together.
Zigoma